Introduction to digital marketing. Digital marketing is a method of advertising that a circumflex is done via various digital channels. They include mobile applications, digital prints, social media, and search engines among others. This phrase has been around for quite some time, over 100 years. However, it first became popular in the early 2000s. Generally, digital marketing involves the use of electronic devices. Although most people associate it now with social media, search engines, mobile apps, and websites, it also includes radios and TVs. So, this means that it can be done offline and online. Below is a comprehensive overview of all the vital elements that make up this type of marketing. Key components of digital marketing, offline and online marketing.
To most people, digital marketing simply deals with online activities. However, it a circumflex is worth noting that offline marketing is also a crucial element of marketing. Online marketing involves the use of the internet to handle advertisements, promotions, and to attract a new target audience. On the other hand, offline marketing involves the use of published advertising strategy. Components of digital offline marketing. Offline marketing can be a circumflex enhanced a circumflex. This simply means that it may also involve the use of electronic devices. It a circumflex is possible to use a smartphone to ask for services. The experience you will get is offline. For instance, there are hotels and restaurants with electronic devices that customers normally use to ask for service delivery.
Have you seen how billboards easily capture your attention? These devices are made with light-emitting diodes. They also form part of enhanced offline marketing. However, the location of a billboard is important. For instance, a billboard in Times Square is more valuable than anywhere else in America. This is because over 250,000 people cross Times Square daily. If you have walked into a modern electronics shop, you have definitely seen how a product demo looks like. Well, this is another crucial component of digital offline marketing. Other common forms of offline marketing include radio marketing.
This is the oldest form of marketing. Radio marketing is over a century old and it a circumflex is not going away anytime soon. Note that more than 80% of the American population still listens to radio weekly. Research shows that the average listen time is about 2 hours. The internet has been crucial in sustaining the number of listeners. At the moment, a large number of listeners use internet radio. Even the profit margin of radio marketing has significantly reduced. This form of marketing is still important. The benefits of radio marketing are numerous and they better identity. This type of marketing relies heavily on creativity. This is because it a circumflex is entirely based on audio. By creating a kick-ass ad, you will be indirectly promoting better brand identity. Passive marketing. You don a circumflex T need to use a lot of effort to reach your target audience. Anyone who is listening to the radio when your ad plays immediately becomes your target audience. Brand personification. A radio ad will quickly personify your brand based on the type of voice used. Besides that, the content of the ad is also important because that a circumflex is what the target audience will associate with your brand. Forms of radio marketing. straight commercial, it a circumflex S based on audio effects designed to catch the attention of the listener. This involves precisely describing the product a circumflex S features, how it a circumflex S used, and its benefits. Dramatized commercial, there is a circumflex dramatized a circumflex situation that requires problem solving. The product is, thereafter, introduced as the most effective solution. A dialogue commercial, this is a type of testimonial advertising that may involve the use of a famous personality. Show sponsoring, you can talk with radio programmers so that your product or service can be used to sponsor a certain show. This means that the ad will be played before the show starts and after the show ends. But make sure that you choose a show with a big number of listeners for high conversion rates. Phone marketing. Not so many people are aware of phone marketing. This is a multi-channel form of marketing that has a specific audience. These are people who use tablets, smartphones, and other mobile devices. A report by iHuman Media indicates that almost 58% of people with smartphones check their devices at least after every hour. So, this is an ideal form of offline marketing that can yield great results. Market insights indicate that advertisers are going to spend more money on mobile ads. But what are some of the top offline phone marketing techniques? Cold calling. This is a type of business solicitation from potential clients who didn't circumflex T have prior contact with the person conducting the sales call. Cold calling simply involves a salesperson trying to convince a potential client to buy the product or service offered. Although it can be done over the phone, sometimes it can happen in person. This involves the salesperson moving door to door.
Although it can result in sales, this is not a good tactic for sales. Some people may find this offensive and may term as an invasion of privacy. The best way for telemarketing to work involves contacting the person before trying to convince them to buy your product or use your service. A better alternative for this is a circumflex. Texting a text message will somehow yield better results than cold calling. This because the potential customer will read the message at their own convenience and respond if they are interested. Forms of texting include texts offering discounts, deals, and coupons. A loyalty program where clients can earn points when they pay via their phones. Texts to remind customers of services and product offers. Advantages of mobile texting include personal touch. Texting allows you to customize the message and give it a personal touch. Interactivity. Phone marketing is one of the best ways of getting feedback from the recipients. All they have to do is to press the reply button and give you feedback. Tractable platform. It is possible to track and know who has opened your message, the links that they circumflex v clicked. In addition to that, it circumflex S possible to know who has ignored your messages. Immediate delivery. Phone marketing is generally fast. Messages will quickly go out once you have pressed send. Note: calls from new numbers can easily get ignored. On the other hand, more than 98% of text messages are usually opened. Take note that almost 90% of them are usually opened within the first 3 minutes of being received. So, texting is a great way of carrying out